This is Wally from Dean Team Golf Carts. Today we're going to go over, it's Friday video, and we're going to go over how to fill up the batteries after they've been sitting a winter. Any of your lead acid batteries that need to be filled with distilled water. You want to make sure you have distilled water. You can buy that pretty much anywhere. Any hardware store is going to carry the distilled water. You can get it in a gallon jug. When you go to fill that, there's several ways. You don't want to try to use the gallon jug and pour it in there, but I would start off with some kind of, make sure you have a rag, safety glasses. That is battery acid, so if it splatters up, you could, potentially burn your eye or burn your hands or anything. If you want to use gloves, you can put on some kind of latex gloves if you want to kind of protect your hands. We use just a simple screwdriver or pry bar to pry the tops off. You'll be able to see the cells and see the water level in there. You may need a flashlight too to kind of help you see. The level should be right at the bottom of that plastic. You want to cover those cells. That's the main. These will go dry on you if you haven't checked them in a while. From the battery usage, they'll heat up, and that will evaporate. So you definitely want to make sure that water level is above the cells. You can basically burn up a battery, ruin your battery, take away from the life of the battery if that's not filled up properly. It'll help you charge. If you overfill it, this one's getting close. It's right at the bottom. We like them right at the bottom of that plastic. They get much higher. You're going to smell it when you charge it. It's going to smell. It's going to fume. You'll get fumes. So you want it, below that plastic. And then we kind of use a flashlight to kind of judge. If you got a headlight, you can put one of those headlamps on your head, but somehow to kind of check that water level. Now the way we do it, we kind of just set it like that. We get our gloves on if we want. I just use a little pry bar, and you just pry up the caps. And there's a couple ways you can do it. You can just do a simple funnel, put the funnel in there and watch it. You can get you a little jug like this, flower water, for watering flowers. You can grab that. So what you would do is put the gallon of the distilled water in that, and then you'll have a little better angle. The newer, this is an older style. It's really for oil, not water. But anyway, make a long story short, a lot of your flower spouts will be, won't have a flexible tube, so you can kind of get in there and be more accurate. You just don't want to, you'll make a mess if you don't, if you're not careful, because it's distilled water, but you don't want to leaking all over the garage. And you kind of want to be ventilated. If you can do it outside, that's best. Then you got the sunlight too to kind of help you as far as lighting up. But this is one style of battery. This is a 12 volt batteries that makes 48 volts, but you'll have basically the 6 cells on each one, and you want to check each cap. You'll pull each cap off, even the back ones. I know they're harder to get to, but you want to get back there and check those also. A smaller funnel, if you get a small funnel, that may help you a little bit easier, get you a little more control on it. But this is for this style of cart. And while you're at it, you can kind of, you want it clean too. You want the tops of the batteries clean. But before you start charging it for the summer, because you're going to be charging it a lot during the summer, and you're pulling it out of winter storage, double check that water, because that will definitely help charge faster, help keep your battery life longer. So many of them we see that they get below those cells, and they just keep using them, and they're basically, you have to have the water protecting those cells, and if they dry out, they'll burn up like that. You'll burn a battery up pretty quick. I got a couple other styles we can show you real quick over here. This is pretty common. Some of the batteries will have watering kits. That's a setup to where you can put the tube in a jug, and you got a squeeze ball, and that'll basically water without having to pull the caps off. You can pretty much water it without making a mess, basically. But yeah, the safety glasses and gloves. Let me show you a couple other styles over here. Now some of your other batteries will have a twist twist top. And they'll basically, same principle, you'll want to check the water level, but they have just a simple twist top. And you want to make sure when you put these back, so many times we see them, they're not all the way down. And what'll happen is the water will come out. If you hit a bunch of bumps with your cart, but you kind of want to, there's 2 grooves in there, and you'll just kind of set it like that and tighten it and kind of wiggle it and make sure that there's a rubber seal O-ring in here, and that keeps, you know, any leakage coming if you go over a bunch of bumps and stuff like that. Now this is the latest and new that we've got these batteries in. Check this out. Wow. You got a little flip lid. Same principles, got the O-ring like this one, and you want to make sure that you know, snaps down tight. But this is pretty cool. And same deal, just check the water level and where it's at the bottom of that plastic. Where the plastic goes down, you'll see the molded part of the battery case as it goes down and kind of is right above the cell. We kind of like the water right below that, you know, just so it's covering the cell. That's the main principle, is you want those cells covered. It's kind of like hydrating yourself. You know, you got to have water to hydrate yourself. Well, these batteries have to have water to keep them hydrated. Make sure you use distilled water. The problem with using regular tap water is it's got, a lot of them are fluoride and chlorine in them, and they're going to corrode the batteries quicker. So we always recommend using the distilled water. And basically that's about it, but that'll help you as far as your summer. And if you've got plenty of water on your batteries, you're gonna extend the life of the cart. You're gonna have more fun that summer. This is Wally from Dean Team Golf Carts, and see you next video.